Hey, quick reality check. If your posts look good one day and totally different the next, yeah, that's a branding issue. In this full guide, I'll show you how to build consistent professional branding using Canva, step by step, the right way. First, you need a clear identity. Pick 2 to 3 main colors, 1 or 2 fonts, and a general style. Like minimal, bold, or modern. Keep it simple, seriously. Now go into Canva and open the brand section. This is your brand kit. Add your colors, fonts, and logo so you can reuse them anytime. Upload your logo, icons, and images into Canva. You can even organize them into folders so everything stays clean and easy to find. Alright, this is key. Create a few core templates for things you post often, like social media posts, stories, or thumbnails. Once you've got a style, stick to it. Use the same fonts, colors, and layout every time. Don't keep changing things randomly. Quick tip, use the copy style tool. It lets you apply the same design style to other elements instantly, saves a lot of time. Even when your content changes, try to keep the structure similar, like where your title, image, and logo go. That's what builds recognition. Before posting, just pause for a second. Does it match your brand colors, fonts, overall vibe? If not, fix it before you publish. Finally, save your designs as templates so you can reuse them again and again. This keeps your workflow fast and your branding consistent. And yeah, that's how you create consistent branding in Canva. It's not about being fancy, it's about being recognizable. Stick to your style, and people will start recognizing your content instantly.